permit and object path. So basically, whenever any critical equipment having the activity like some critical equipments, when I work on oil and gas industry, there was some gas storage equipments tank, and some pumps are connected to it, or some height equipments which are on height, so they require scaffolding. So before starting maintenance activity on that equipment, we need to take the permit: hot work permit, cold work permit, restricted work permit, height work permit. So that permit will be provided by the in charge of that area. So basically, like a production in charge or production supervisor will provide you the permit. So that is mean by he will acknowledge our work. So he will stop all the activities in that area while we are working on that equipment. Do you know LOTO procedure?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mechanical LOTO, electrical LOTO. I know.
Yeah, lockout, tag out. So
Yes,
same, yeah, it will be like one part. LOTO, lockout, tag out is a one part of that permit. So everybody will know and understand what they are performing.
Yes, sir, yes.
So we will start proceed. So basically, IPMD. Just a moment. Just a moment. IPMD is the T code for permit.
Okay.
So here you will find display view maintain permit, and there are list of permit, description. So C means permit category. So basically we are right now focusing on W. We want work permit.
Okay.
So I will create, we need to go to, I will again show IPMD and create change, this pencil mark.
Okay.
Click on that and you can create new entry.
Okay.
So I will mention some hot work like a furnace or
Welding.
DG also. Yeah, welding, correct. DG also. DG is running and some heat is generating. So a hot work permit like this. So we have some safety equipments we need to wear like this. So I will make just hot work, height work, cold work, hot work. There are lots of type. Text is hot work. Category will be W, work permit.
Okay.
Here, order release. Order release means what? 1 and 2. If you given status as a 1, then permit to be issued after warning. So, system will not give hard stop. It will allow you, but it will simply give warning. But we want hard stop. So, permit must be issued, else error message. So if permit not given, it will show you the error message and order completion. Or again, you want order release restriction or order completion restriction. So basically, most of the time, we will use order release. So work will not be complete until and work will not be start until and unless work permit given.
Issue. Okay.
Yeah, issue. Okay. That print and notify means it will allow to print the permit and it will not modify it. Okay. No one will modify it. So we can simply say, I will just copy this Okay, permit T code is IPMD. IPMD, and we have created hot work permit. Okay, so I will save this. Okay, it got saved. So once you go, you will find here hot work permit. Okay, then we need to assign that hot work permit to our equipment. So in our last session, we have created one DG set IE03. Okay. Yeah. So how to assign permit to our equipment? So you need to go to tab in the menu bar. Here you will find permit. Click on permit. Okay, it's a display. Okay, you need to go to change mode. Enter. Go to tab permit and just check our hot work permit. Click, and here is one checkbox. First is print, second is propose permit proposal. So you need to activate that checkbox. Just click on and continue and save it. So right now I will show you. I will create one work order with that equipment.
Okay.
And see, it should not allow us to release, or we cannot start the work on that equipment until and unless we get the permit.
Okay.
So do you know what is the T code to create the work order?
Work order.
IW31. Okay, I will copy the equipment. IW31. Our order type will be PM01. Priority will be medium, and we will just enter the equipment and enter. So this work order we will make a test or work permit. Okay. So we will not do anything, just we will save it. Okay. So we will go to /n IW32 change mode, and I will try to release that work order. See, order release refuse. That's permit still missing. Okay. So you will find issue the outstanding permit and release the maintenance order. So there are two options. So if basically this access of the release issue the permit will be to the supervisor, production supervisor, or it may be maintenance supervisor, some supervisor level person. Okay. So they can go here, permit tab. Okay. And second option is that there is a specialty code. I will show you. IPM2. Okay, so in that T code, you can maintain the order. Okay, issue, not issue. So I will show everything and I will execute. Okay, at least one order must be selected. Order status. Okay, so you will see here, you will get our work order. Okay. So this is one option. Here you can click issue permit.
It is gone for anybody's approval, or it is just release?
So basically what happens, this access of T code will be to the approval only. So once we create the work order, that person needs to go to IPM2. Okay. And he need to see the work order and he need to click issue permit, then permit has been issued. So we can get the permit.
Okay.
Yes. So see green mark and here. So I will check my order slash IW32. Okay. And this is one option. And second option, permit here. We need to click and here will be option permit. Right now it's already got permitted, approved by, see my user ID is there. So I can release it and we can save this. So status will be release. Okay. Yeah. So again, consultant activity of configuration of permit. So this is end user part, which I shown you. So let's go to consultant SPRO customization, SAP reference IMG, plant maintenance customer service, master data. Then basic setting. Here you will find the permit. Okay, permit. Define permit category, define permit group. Okay, so you can see here permit group PM underscore permit. This is permit class. Okay, so you can see and you can create also here permit group or permit class. Everything you can create like a new. So where it has shown this PM permit, where it has shown, I will show you. Let's go IPMD. So once I click on hot work permit here, that permit class will be updated. PM underscore permit. Okay.
Okay.
So in this configuration and permit category, like a W, we have scene work permit, some safety work. So category will be available here. So again, as per business, if you want a new category, you can add new entry and you can give new category. Again, it's totally depend upon business.
Okay.
So for testing purpose, you can create some equipments, you can assign the permit to them, cold work permit, hot work permit, height work permit, right?
Permit
And you
groups means what, sir?
okay, again I will tell. Permit group means this class.
Like PM, sir.
PM permit.
Okay.
This is text which are related. Basically, just a moment. I will do one thing. Underscore 01. Enter. Okay, permit does not exist. Class type. Permit class. Okay, only one entry is there. Okay. Just a moment. Define permit groups. Basically, it's plant maintenance. Okay, and it's plant maintenance permit. But there is one scenario. Just a moment. Permit group, save, order. Okay. Basically, system has given us the provision to create our own group. Okay. But here, system has not assigned, just a moment, define permit group. Here, system is not allowing us to define the new permit group. Just a moment. Let me check. Permit. Yeah, this is the configuration. Basically, in this tab, you can create new permit class with a PM. Okay. Don't know why it's not allowing us. Let me check set list. Change mode. Okay. No, nothing is there. But as of now, you can you can just memorize this permit class will be assigned here to our work permit, which can be used for plant maintenance.
Okay.
Because basically this is sandbox. So all configuration will not be like a real time. In your company, if you access IPMD, there will be so much categories because it's not only which is related to maintenance. It will be like a
Calibration is
production.
there, production,
Yes,
calibration.
yeah, civil person will be so many groups are there which can use this permit category. But here I didn't see that much. It's just a testing sandbox server for training purpose. So we will continue today one important topic, which is known by catalog profile.